Should AI and robots replace law enforcement? Imagine a world where routine patrols, endless paperwork, and dangerous standoffs are handled not just by human officers, but by intelligent machines. AI and robots are already transforming medicine, logistics, and manufacturing. The question is, should they also play a major role in law enforcement? This video makes the case for why the answer is clearly yes, but only if we have the right leadership in place to manage risks. Section 1. Benefits of AI and robotics in policing. Risk reduction in dangerous situations. Robots can be deployed for bomb disposal, active shooter standoffs, or hazardous chemical incidents. This keeps officers out of harm's way while still protecting the public. Faster data processing and surveillance. AI can process thousands of hours of CCTV footage in minutes. Facial recognition and license plate scanners help track suspects quickly. Predictive AI can analyze crime patterns to allocate patrols efficiently. Gun detectors, connected with the licensed weapon carrier database, can proactively identify individuals that illegally carry weapons and can prevent crimes before they happen. Efficiency and cost savings. AI can automate paperwork, dispatching, and ticketing minor violations. Robots can handle traffic enforcement or routine patrols. This frees human officers to focus on complex cases and community engagement. Consistency and reduced human error. Humans get tired, stressed, and sometimes biased. AI, when trained on diverse and fair datasets, applies rules consistently. This can reduce unequal treatment across different communities. Expanding reach in underserved areas, small towns or regions with limited police staff could use robotic patrol units and AI monitoring to maintain safety without hiring dozens of new officers. Drones and AI-powered alerts extend visibility in ways humans simply can't. Section 2. Concerns and risks. Even with all these advantages, we can't ignore the legitimate risks that come with AI and robotics in policing. Concern 1. Algorithmic bias. AI systems may reflect biases in their training data. Risk. Unfairly targeting minority groups, perpetuating discrimination. Concern 2. Accountability. Who's responsible if an AI misidentifies a suspect or a robot uses force? Risk. Public backlash, lawsuits, erosion of trust. Concern 3. Public trust and human connection. Communities want officers who can empathize and understand nuance. Risk. Citizens may feel over-policed or alienated by machines. Concern 4. Ethical use of force. Should a robot ever make a decision to use lethal force? Risk. Moral and legal dilemmas if machines harm civilians. Section 3. Leadership solutions to mitigate risks. This is where leadership and governance come in. Technology alone is not enough. Guidance and oversight are what make it safe and effective. Solution to Concern 1. Algorithmic bias. The right leadership can require diverse datasets and third-party audits of AI systems. Establish bias testing protocols before deployment. However, the real key here is that bias doesn't even exist in the first place with computer algorithms. Yes, AI is trained on real data, but the fact of the matter is that data is never bias. Only human is bias. So as long as it is ensured that data are trained on the correct datasets, then bias is not really an issue. Example: city leadership mandates yearly independent reviews of AI policing tools to ensure fairness. Conclusion: with the right leadership and data audit protocols in place, algorithmic bias is a non-issue. Solution to Concern 2. Accountability. Create clear chains of responsibility. AI is a tool, but humans remain accountable. Leadership ensures every AI decision has human oversight, especially in sensitive cases. Example: body cameras plus AI logs track every decision for transparency. Conclusion: with the right leadership in charge and responsibilities are enforced and held accountable, this accountability concern will diminish over time and will eventually become immaterial. Solution to Concern 3. Public trust. Leaders must ensure community input before deploying AI systems. Launch public education campaigns about how robots are used, why they are used, why is it better than human cops, to educate them about how the benefits of robots outweigh the risks of their human counterparts. Example: community forums where police chiefs explain new drone patrols and gather feedback. Conclusion: With the right education to the mass public, citizens gain better understanding of the benefits of robot cops, and with constant statistics and feedback that are made public, public trust will gain over time as they can witness themselves. Ethical use of force. Leadership can set non-negotiable rules. Robots may never use lethal force autonomously. AI should recommend, but not decide, on high-stakes actions. Example, national guidelines requiring human authorization for any escalation beyond non-lethal tools. Conclusion: this is 100% controllable from an AI algorithm standpoint and is a non-issue. Section 4. The future. So, should AI and robots replace human officers? Absolutely yes. But it's not a one-time rollout. Is it a process that will take time to gain public trust and also to continuously improve the AI algorithm over time as it learns to first support human law enforcement officers, then to transform law enforcement into a more efficient, more effective, more neutral operation each time, and finally to take over their human counterparts? And with the right leadership, the rewards outweigh the risk far and beyond, while the risks of bias, accountability gaps, or public mistrust can be minimized. It is a no-brainer. They reduce risks. They boost efficiency. They save time and money. They help enforce laws consistently. Conclusion: call to action. AI and robots are not here to replace the badge, they're here to protect both officers and citizens better. But this only works if leaders put fairness, transparency, and accountability at the center of every deployment. So, what do you think? Would you feel safer with AI-supported policing in your community? Or does it worry you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, like and share this video if it got you thinking, and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology and society.